Thank you. Also, Sabin Bar, thank you for the super. Hi, Kilia. I hope you've been okay. Call me to see more of your new year. I have some art plans for you. Thank you. Raziel, thank you for the super. Happy birthday, Kilia. It's not my birthday! The bomb, thank you for the super. Birthday was for everything. It's not my birthday. We should get her the monitor as a birthday present. I will kill you! I just said I wanted to leave that for the next year! I will kill you and demolish you if you fucking... I swear to God! Don't you even think about doing anything of the sorts. You have to stop sending me supers, stop fulfilling things in my phone, stop telling me happy birthday, stop existing and breathing right now!